Punishment, a concept as old as civilization itself, evokes strong emotions and sparks endless debates. It represents society's way of responding to wrongdoing, a necessary tool to maintain order and uphold justice. From ancient laws to modern legal systems, the idea of punishment has evolved, reflecting changing societal values and our understanding of human behavior. The Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, India's revamped legal framework, approaches punishment with a nuanced perspective, emphasizing not just retribution, but also reformation and societal well-being. Section 4 of the B.N.S, in particular, lays the groundwork for understanding the principles and objectives of punishment in the Indian context. This exploration of B.N.S Section 4 delves into the various facets of punishment, its types, purposes, and underlying principles, aiming to shed light on its role in shaping a just and equitable society. By understanding the rationale behind punishment, we can engage in more informed discussions about its application and impact on individuals and communities alike. Ultimately, the pursuit of justice requires a delicate balance between holding individuals accountable for their actions and fostering an environment where rehabilitation and societal harmony can prevail. B.N.S Section 4, with its emphasis on a balanced approach to punishment, aims to achieve this delicate equilibrium. B.N.S Section 4 outlines various types of punishments, each with its own implications and severity. Understanding these categories is crucial to grasp the range of options available to the courts when determining appropriate sentences. First, imprisonment, a commonly used punishment, involves restricting an individual's freedom by confining them to a correctional facility. This can range from rigorous imprisonment with hard labor to simple imprisonment, depending on the severity of the crime. Second, the death penalty, the most extreme form of punishment, reserved for the rarest of rare cases, involves the legal execution of an individual. The B.N.S retains the death penalty for specific heinous offenses, sparking ongoing debates about its ethical and practical implications. Third, fines serve as a financial penalty, requiring the offender to pay a designated sum of money to the state. Fines are often used for less severe offenses or in conjunction with other punishments. Finally, community service offers a restorative approach, mandating the offender to perform unpaid work for the benefit of the community. This type of punishment emphasizes making amends for one's actions and contributing to society. B.N.S Section 4's comprehensive list of punishments reflects the legislature's intent to provide a wide range of sentencing options, allowing judges to tailor punishments to the specific circumstances of each case. The B.N.S, unlike purely retributive systems of the past, recognizes that punishment serves multiple purposes, all crucial for maintaining a just and safe society. These purposes, often intertwined, guide the courts in determining appropriate sentences. Deterrence, a key objective, aims to discourage both the offender and society at large from engaging in criminal behavior. The fear of punishment, it is believed, can act as a powerful deterrent, promoting law-abiding behavior. Reformation, another vital purpose, focuses on rehabilitating the offender, transforming them into responsible citizens. This approach emphasizes education, skill development, and counseling to address the root causes of criminal behavior. Retribution, often associated with the idea of an eye for an eye, seeks to inflict punishment proportionate to the harm caused. While the B.N.S acknowledges the need for retribution, it does not prioritize it over reformation or other objectives. Prevention, a practical purpose, aims to protect society from further harm by incapacitating the offender, preventing them from committing future crimes. This can involve imprisonment or other measures that restrict their ability to reoffend. Lastly, restoration, gaining increasing recognition in modern legal systems, emphasizes repairing the harm caused to the victim and the community. This can involve restitution, apologies, or community-based reconciliation programs. B.N.S. Section 4, by embracing these 5 pillars of justice, underscores the multifaceted nature of punishment, moving beyond mere retribution to encompass rehabilitation, societal well-being, and a commitment to restorative justice. Section 4. Striking a balance. The significance of proportionality. The principle of proportionality lies at the heart of B.N.S. Section 4, ensuring that punishments are just and fair. This principle mandates that the severity of the punishment should correspond to the gravity of the offense committed. Judges, when determining appropriate sentences, consider various factors to ensure proportionality. The nature of the crime, the offender's intent, the harm caused to the victim, and any mitigating or aggravating circumstances all play a role in this complex calculus. For instance, a minor theft would warrant a less severe punishment than a violent assault. Similarly, a first-time offender may receive a more lenient sentence compared to a repeat offender for a similar crime. The principle of proportionality ensures that punishments are not arbitrary or excessive, but rather reflect a measured and just response to the offense. B.N.S. Section 4's emphasis on proportionality reflects a commitment to fairness and justice, preventing unduly harsh punishments while ensuring accountability for wrongdoing. This principle safeguards against both excessive leniency and disproportionate severity, striking a balance between the interests of the offender and the well-being of society. Section 5. Reformation. The cornerstone of a just society. B.N.S. Section 4 places a strong emphasis on the reformative aspect of punishment, reflecting a progressive approach to criminal justice. This emphasis stems from the belief that individuals are capable of change and that punishment should not merely be punitive, but also offer opportunities for rehabilitation and reintegration into society. The reformative approach recognizes that factors such as poverty, lack of education, and social inequalities can contribute to criminal behavior. Instead of simply punishing individuals for their actions, this approach seeks to address the root causes of crime by providing offenders with the tools and support they need to turn their lives around. Educational programs, vocational training, counseling services, and anger management workshops are just some examples of the rehabilitative measures that can be employed within the criminal justice system. These programs aim to equip offenders with the skills and knowledge they need to become productive members of society upon release. By investing in the reformation of offenders, B.N.S. Section 4 promotes a more just and humane society, one that prioritizes rehabilitation and second chances over retribution and punishment alone.